The Eiffel Tower is riddled with rust and in drastic need of repairs, but will only receive a cosmetic paint job ahead of the 2024 Olympic Games in Paris, according to leaked reports. Instead, the tower is undergoing a repaint job that started as long ago as 2018 with the upcoming 2024 Olympic Games in mind, but is simply not adequate for the task that needs doing, an unnamed manager who works on the site lamented. It's very simple. If Gustave Eiffel visited the place, he would have fainted. It is not likely to fall tomorrow morning, but it is true that it is not well at all. "133 years after its construction, in some places, rust has won and is eating away at the iron of the monument like termites at wood. And French insiders now worry that their leading landmark, erected in 1889 and one of the most visited tourist attractions in the world with 6 million visitors each year, is in danger of suffering a calamity on a scale similar to the one that befell Notre Dame in 2019, when the roof caught fire and burned for 15 hours. In an emergency, in some places, a simple coat of paint is just brushed on the existing layers, which are flaking and do not hold, another anonymous expert warned. The current paint job is costing French purse holders £51 million and is the 20th time the tower has been repainted in its 133 years. Around 30% of the monument was supposed to have been stripped and 2 new coats would have been applied, but delays caused by the COVID pandemic and the presence of lead in the old paint means that now only 5% of the structure will be treated. The tower is overseen by commercial company Société d'Exploitation de la Tour Eiffel, SETE, who are reluctant to close the tower for the duration necessary to undertake the maintenance due to the loss of tourist revenue it would entail, Marianne said. The Iron Lady, as it is locally known, was built by Gustave Eiffel in the late 19th century and was the tallest building in the world for a time, at 1,083 feet tall, 330 meters, until the Chrysler Building in New York City was finished in 1930. Not content to be outdone by the Chrysler and its American makers, a broadcasting aerial was affixed to the top of the Eiffel Tower, making it taller than the Chrysler Building by 17 feet, 5.2 meters.